Hello, good morning or good night, Miss Diane and the people who are watching. So we're going to present our scientific article about website-based personal money management program. This article was made by Group 6. The members are Adnan, who sadly can join us for today, and there is me, Nawang Adzani, and then other member is Ananda, Shaquille, Farell, and Irfan Kamal. So we go into the abstract of this article. The objectives of this paper is to present the making of a website that can manage your money, income, and outcome. And they and as of this wording, there were many people that thought their money is gone easily, even though they tried to save money. Despite the fact that they understood they required guidance from a financial advisor, they refused to pay personal fees for financial advising service due to the high price. They require simple and quick financial management service. In order to fulfill the people needs, we made a website that can monitor people's financial activity and advise people to manage their own money. The keywords of this article is money management, website, financial, and program. Next. So the introduction will be presented by Ananda Shaquille.
And now I will continue this part, the introduction. Okay, so we need to see the importance of money. Money, almost all people on this earth have it. It has significant role in daily modern life. Without money, sometimes it makes people movement limited and of course makes the survival of human life even harder. Hence, we can see the importance of money for humankind. Money is a very precious thing in human life. Every person that has money should make good use of their money. How? He has to manage it, because if he doesn't, it's probably harder to keep track of his money. That's the reason why people need a good money management system to be used for helping them manage their own money. Nowadays, there are already a large number of people who have access to the internet, whether it is via mobile phones, laptops, tablets, or PC, and many more. Different people from a variety of economical backgrounds can access it cheaply and easily. Plus, the technology behind the internet is getting more advanced than ever before. So we can see that the internet is very beneficial and potential platform to build a good money management system for people across the globe. For example, in the form of a website. Hence, the idea of making a website-based personal money management program came to our mind. This program is in the form of a website and runs on the internet. By using the internet, it can help us to access the website across different platforms, such as smartphones, tablets, laptops, and many more. This, of course, can be beneficial for people. So, as we can see, there are a lot of potential and benefits that our program can give. To name a few: synchronicity, flexibility, mobility, and more. And of course, it can reduce the use of paper. And for this part, my friend will continue it.
Okay, so I will present about method used in this research. Okay, next one. Okay, so the first step is making software requirement specification. During this phase, there will be an interview with the user. The input from this phase is a list of interview questions to find the needs of the user. Therefore, the result of this phase are processed and analyzed for the answer to the question from the interview, used as reference to help create software requirement specification or SRS documents. Next one. Okay, so the second step is software design. In this phase, software design is performed in the form of database design, interface, and system design by converting SRS documents to UML design to facilitate software development. The output of this phase produce a UML design that includes use case diagrams, activity diagrams, sequence diagram, and class diagrams. Next one, software development. In this phase, system development phase that is performed based on the input of the UML design format created in the software design phase. In this phase, the UML design is implemented in the programming code. at the time of system development by programming code. The result of this phase is a beta version of the software release. Next one, the fourth step is software testing. In this phase, the software was released in beta and test using the black box method to ensure that existing features work properly according to the design created in the previous phase. The result of this stage is the right software design software. Next one. Okay, so the last step is making research book preparation. In this phase, produce a report based on the input in the form of process and result generated during the software design and development phase. Report creation is presented in the form of a survey of system documents. The result of this phase is a survey of system documentation. Next one. Okay, so result and discussion about our research. So the result of our research is a personal financial management app. The personal financial management app is a website-based application that functions to monitor user personal financial income and expense. The main flow of this application is to calculate personal income and expense. Next one, app user. Based on the result of exploring the needs of the user as described previously, it is concluded that the user of this application are millennial and also Generation Z, aged between 17 to 30 years old, with an upper middle economy who are concerned about their finance. Next one. Main application requirement. The main requirement in this application are as follows. The application provides features for users to make transactions in the form of expense or income. The application provides features to create category and categorize transactions as been made. The application provides features to add accounts used by users. Users can find out the financial condition of each account that they have. Next one. Application key feature design. The main design features of this application include UML diagram related to financial management function, which consists of use case diagram, activity diagram, robustness diagram, and sequence diagram. In addition, a user interface description related to financial management function is provided. Next one, testing scenario. In this step, the application test scenario determines the reliability of the available feature. Before running the main functional test, first some features related to the main feature are run. That is, additional testing of the user execution of the transaction and the change made to the transaction. The following is an example of a scenario being tested. First, user make transaction on the application. Second, the user change the transaction that have already been made. Third, the user deletes the transaction that has already been made. Next one, testing execution. The first step in this stage is looking for user to do the test. After that, the user is given a list of tasks that need to be done and recorded. After that, the result of the test recording are analyzed to find out the obstacle experienced by the user. I think that's enough from me. Next one will be my friend.
Okay, for the conclusion of this scientific article is next. This personal money management website-based application is for millennials and people who are concerned about their finance. In this money management website-based application, it provides feature for users to make transactions, to create categories and categorize transaction made. Add accounts used by users, and users can find out the financial condition of each account they have. For the website to be work, it needs a lot of process from the planning stage, development of the software, then testing stage. The planning stage itself is about interviewing users and designing the software. After the planning was done, we develop the software, and then in the testing stage, we given a list to the user of the tasks that need to be done, such as make transaction of the application. Acknowledgement and reference. This acknowledgement of this article, we would like to thank Dr. Dian Amarkusuma MPD for the support and the guidance that she has given us, the authors, regarding all about writing, article making, the English language, and more, so we can finish this well enough. And the references of this article is from The Nature of Money by the writer Inham G. Okay, next. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for watching and sorry if we are make mistake. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.